Fuck out of here.
Come on.
Yeah. Hey, yo, this goes out to anybody thinking somewhere in they rabid ass mind they could fuck with me, they must be high. Granted, I supply the shit the custody buys. Suckers try fuckery to sabotage my vibe, but I beat the odds. Came out swinging, juiced up like Barry Bonds, fully armed with clip after clip like a bunch of bonds. The guard grind in the devil's playground like an idle mind. That means I went through hell to finally shine. Slime, give me mine. Or I'm taking it. Wild style, Mad Max, Biggs and Wayne Jamaican shit. Aim it at your face and spit. All I had was faith when I didn't have a place to piss. Put a plan in motion, now we smoking haze in the Ritz. Popping champagne, shrimp and lemon glaze on the fish. No rollie on my wrist, just a ring for your bitch to kiss. You square niggas will never get the gist of this viciousness. Charged up like I took 6 limitless. Motherfucker. Nah, you can never fuck with the God. You ever thought that we was close, then it was just a mirage, nigga?
That nigga's fucking stupid, nigga. Can't fuck with me, nigga. It's on Streetz. That nigga's garbage, nigga. Fuck out of here.
Nah, you can never fuck with the God. You ever thought that we was close, then it was just a mirage.
Fuck out of here.
Hey, yo. Don't make me do it to you, dummy, cause I overdo it. You ain't low, thinking you could get over with bogus music. My eyes open, I notice Judas. Hate deep rooted. To bust a nigga head, I got the heart to do it. I sold 100 grams on Hart and Lewis. Praise the Lord, I seen it all. Still got the strength to push through it. This that new voodoo pen game on Stanley Kubrick. Shit I write, you can view it like Cam I tutored a student. Even if you think you too stupid. Live from where they overdosing off the needle full of dope fluid. Black hoodie, but the crime's white collar though. Leveled up from times I sold dummy dimes of Tylenol. Hit your mind and your body bound to fall. I don't even like the sound of y'all, your whole sound is off. I'm about the paper first and foremost. I won't even come around to talk, so fuck your free verse request. Pay the check or get lost. You got songs, but they all lack sauce. I get you clipped off unless it was some Air Force course. I run the shit like the New York boss. Take over all you niggas, been food on my fork. What the fuck you thought? Nah, you can never fuck with the God. You ever thought that we was close, then it was just a mirage, nigga?
That nigga's fucking stupid, nigga. Can't fuck with me, nigga. It's on Streetz. That nigga's garbage, nigga. Fuck out of here.
Nah, you can never fuck with the God. You ever thought that we was close, then it was just a mirage.
Fuck out of here.